How to redeem Uber promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Uber driver promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Firstly, I'm gonna show you how can you get Uber driver working promo code. Using any of these websites, you can easily get the promo codes. So go ahead and open any of these websites. I'm gonna open this one, Gravon. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check. 50% off, $200 off, $5 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. Just click on it. So here's the code. You can copy it. Then click on Continue to Store. You will be directed to the official website of Uber. Now you can log into your account, book your ride, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you'll find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your ride. With that, you have just redeemed the code. By applying the same process, you can easily redeem other codes. In this page, you're gonna find tons of codes. Likewise, you can also try out these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for Uber driver. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys are clear about how to redeem Uber driver promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.